here, and today we are going to play with
Angry Birds.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, okay. Wait, how did you build it that fast? I got bored and next. Yeah, I don't know.
Not the box at there. No, yeah, box. This is Angry Birds Series 1, Episode 1. Okay. Let's start it. Oh, I hate pirates so much.
Me too.
Hello,
Now we
Shark.
have to. Oh, hello.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess we have to destroy
Sit
the
in
ship
it.
again.
No, they took the eggs.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go to the ship. Oi, you mateys! The birds are here. Get ready for your stuff.
Okay.
You got about pushing that thing in the water.
Oh,
no,
sorry,
I
sir.
know.
Sorry, sir, I'm trying to. Yeah.
I know the boat's funny though.
Oh, I did it.
Ow! Ow! Help me!
Okay, I'm helping you, sir. Yeah.
The flying colour crane just got it.
Okay, let's go.
Sometimes they can break. Now to the Angry Birds area. Launch!
Yeah. You go first.
Woo! Ah! Ah! Shit matey! Shit
I'm
matey!
going really fast.
Oh no! Oh no! Shit matey! Everyone get in the ship!
What's still on there?
Kraken! Come in.
Oh no! Oh no, we need to go! I'm just floating around on the ship. Oh no, what am I gonna do? Oh no, what am I gonna do?
Use the slingshot. Use the slingshot.
Oh, that's a good idea. Oh,
We
no.
failed our mission. We need to come back. We come back for you, birds. We come back. What episode? Wait, what? Wait, what are you talking about, episodes? I don't know what the episode means.
Redbug, let's go. I'm going to swim shop.
It's on water. It can't work. Unless you fall down. I don't know why. I don't know why I guessed it. I watched this called show, and I don't know what his name is. It's got an A and a but. But. The show's name is Appa.
Well, that's a good show. That's a good name.
Me too. Yeah, I like that show so much. Why are you going away, Chuck? Will you take the slingshot?
Oh, okay. Come on, slingshot. Come on. Bye, pig. We're gonna get you next time. Oh no! Ah!
Goodbye, Joe.
Oh yeah. Goodbye.